holidays and happy new year to everyone. I just wanted to come and do one last YouTube tutorial for 2020. I saw it. This is inspired by the lock guru on Instagram. She did what's called ponytail curls. So we're just gonna hop right into it. So I'm starting with freshly washed hair. And I'm just using a little moisturized spray that I got from my homegirl Brittany. She has her own business called We Grow and We Glow. You can check her out on YouTube. But I already washed my hair. I let it kind of towel dry a little bit, and then I sprayed that. So I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 parts, one down the middle. And then once I get through with parting my hair, all the way down the middle, I'm going to divide it into 4 sections, and I'm going to put a ponytail on each section, so you'll be able to see that now. Once you get the 4 sections done and putting ponytails, then you're just going to take some curl rods or foam rollers or whatever you have. I have some perm rods, and you're literally going to put those all over the ponytails like I'm about to show you now. So you're just going to take a little section. I sprayed each section again with the moisturizer just so I knew my hair was good and moisturized. And then you're just going to take curl rollers and do that literally all over the head. So now you can see the majority of my hair is done. I just wanted to do like the last couple on camera. I ran out of perm rods, and so I ended up just finding like some regular magnetic rollers, but it'll still get the job done. And so I'm going to do the last 2 on camera. Then once you finish with all of the perm rods or whatever rollers you choose to do, she said to take the rubber bands off. So you can see I'm going to struggle with this first one. It was a struggle because one of the perm rods was actually tucked into the ponytail. So I actually ended up having to unroll it, as you're about to see in a minute. But I didn't have that much trouble taking the rest of them off. So you're about to see me on the struggle bus. And of course, the first one that I chose, it would act up while it's on camera, as always. And then now I'm undoing the last one, which I didn't have any issues with. So once I undo this one, I was just trying to be like really careful because I didn't want any of them to come out. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. All 4 of the rubber bands are taken off, and I'm just going to put my satin bonnet on, and I'm going to sleep overnight. She used a blow dryer, but I try not to put that much heat on my hair, so I'm just going to, it'll be dry in the morning because my hair has a high porosity. So I'm going to sleep with it, and then I'll come back in the morning. Okay, so it's the next day. My hair is completely dry. So I'm just going to undo the foam rollers, or it's not foam rollers, the perm rods and all of the sections. And then I actually went to my workout class. I go boxing on certain days during the week. So I just took the rollers out and then I put the ponytails back in each section to preserve it. So after I finish boxing and taking a shower, then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished product. So here is the finished product. As you can see, hair is still dry. I'm just taking it out of the roller. I mean, not the rollers, the rubber bands. And we about to see what that thing be like. So after I take the ponytails out, I'm going to put a little oil just on my fingertips and just put it directly on my scalp because I moisturized it yesterday and I just want to seal it in with the oil. So now I'm just going through finger combing through as she did. And once again, this was inspired by the Lock Guru on Instagram. So I'm just finger combing through to make sure I brush the curls out a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna style to my liking. I typically don't wear middle parts just because I've literally always worn side parts since I was relaxed, loose, natural, all of that. So my hair just typically already will part in that same area. But as you can see, the curls are looking really nice. So I'm just playing with it, getting it how I want to get it. But I'm really actually excited about how it came out. And I didn't use any heat, just the rods, and they weren't that bad to sleep on either. So I definitely will be using this again. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm about to give y'all a 360 view. But yeah, you know, like, comment, subscribe, share. This was just one more video. I just want to do one last video before the year ended. And when I saw how her hair came out, I was like, oh, this is beautiful. And it's another way to achieve curls that I definitely will be trying more in the future, especially like if I'm going out or just feel like putting some curls in my hair without having to do the braid out. But look at that body. Y'all look at, my hair done came a long way. It's thick, 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 all of that. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. And I hope that y'all have a very happy new year. Be safe out there in the streets. Please stay moisturized because it's getting colder. And it's not cute if you're out here being ashy. Peace.